Ready? Start. I wish to say something about Bombay. It is quite wrong for us to go about censoring any community or group for what has happened. That is a wrong approach. There is no doubt what has happened in Bombay is disgraceful. In a similar situation in any other country, the army and tanks would have come in, but in Bombay, only police force was used. Bombay has been a tragedy for all of us, but recrimination does not help. I think I should mention just one thing which should be borne in mind by all of us, namely the trend towards violence. The most important thing now is to calm and soothe the people to get rid of this bitterness as much as possible. Para. I do not know how some people have been saying that in my broadcast about states reorganization I had used the words irrevocable decisions. I have looked through my broadcast and it is not there in a democratic structure of government. There is nothing irrevocable. We can sit down and consider any matter at any time. The point is that we must have the atmosphere to do it. We cannot do if it people beat one another and quarrel. We must calm down. It is obvious that no decision about Bombay is a happy decision which is looked upon a large section of the people as an imposition on them. If the Gujaratis or the Maharashtrians feel imposed upon, it is not a happy decision. They, as well as others, have to live together in Bombay. Unfortunately, a situation has been created which makes a cool approach to the problem difficult. Let us cool down and become normal and then realize the fact that there is no question of one group dominating over another. Para. Some people say that a few capitalists in Bombay wanted this to be done and that not to be done. I really do not understand this. For my part, I can say that in the whole course of my conversations, I did not meet a single capitalist from Bombay, though they presented a memorandum which I saw. You can take it from me, you know it well enough that the capitalist in Bombay or elsewhere will probably be able to function under any conditions. Para. There has been another proposal for judicial inquiry. In regard to my reaction is that whenever there is trouble, generally there should be an inquiry, but I must say that my mind is rather confused when I think of an inquiry into the Bombay occurrences. It will be a tremendous inquiry which will last for ages all along. Stop.